Hello again everyone and welcome back to another exciting video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you a really simple math trick to square any number that ends with 5 in less than 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and get started with the very first example right up here. So in this example we have a 15 squared. What is the right hand side number is over here in the parentheses is what? 5. I want you to look at 5. Take the square of 5 is what? 25. Now what I want you to do next thing is I want you to look at the left hand side number is what? 1. Let me ask you what comes after 1? What is the next number after 1 is what? Of course 2. I want you to multiply these two numbers. 1 times 2 is what? 2. So 225 is your answer. Let's move on to our next example over here. In this example, what do you see right up here? You see right here is our right hand side number is what? 5. The square of 5 is going to be how much? 25. Now I want you to focus on your left hand side number is what? 2. Let me ask you what comes after 2? What the next number after 2 is? Obviously it is 3. Now I want you to multiply 2 times 3 is what? 6. That's it. That is our answer to this problem. Let's move on to next problem right now. How are you going to do this one? 35 squared. Once again, your right hand side is what? 5. So 5 squared is going to be what? 25, of course. And look at this left hand side number is what? 3. Now what comes after 3? Obviously it's going to be 4. So the number next to 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So 12, 25 is your answer. And we will keep on doing this thing right now and see. Let's look at these problems right now. How are you going to do this one? How about if I say 45 squared, what is going to be answer? By just looking at the way I did these ones. So I want you to give a try right now. How about this one is going to be what? How about this one, 65 squared? How about 75 squared? How about 85 squared? How about 95? Let's do 95 right up here and see how are you going to do 95. Now once again, the right hand side number is what? 5. So the square is 5 is what? 25. Now look at your left hand side number. Your left hand side number is what? 9. Ask yourself, what comes after 9? Of course, it's going to be what? 10. So 10 times 9 is going to be simply what? 90. So that is our answer to 95 squared. So you keep on doing like this one over here. So same thing if you want to do this problem over here. We will keep on working like this one over here. This is the square of 5 is what? 25. Now look at this thing. Next number is what? 10 over here. What comes after 10 is 11. Now 11 times 10 is, of course, is 110. And that is your answer. So what I want you to do is now look at all these questions that I asked you to do. And if you have to pause this video, you can do so. And once you finished, you can see the answers now. And here our answers for 15 squared is going to be, of course, it's going to be a 225. On the right hand side it is 25, and on the left hand side is a 2, exactly the way we did. And you just keep looking at it and how we did it. And I want you to do a practice, and practice would make you really perfect. Well, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.